In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Replit and Median.co. By the end, you'll take a web project you've built on Replit and turn it into an iOS app package you can submit to the App Store. Start by opening your project in Replit. Make sure it runs correctly in the browser and that all the pages and features you plan to ship are working. Confirm that it's already published. If you've made recent changes, click Republish so the live version updates. This ensures the public link reflects your latest code. Give it a moment to finish and double check the status indicator so you know the deployment succeeded. Once it's published, open the live URL from Replit. It should load in a new tab. Verify the site is publicly accessible without special credentials and that it uses a secure connection. When everything looks good, copy the full URL directly from the address bar. This link is what Median will wrap into a mobile app. Now head over to median.co, paste the URL you just copied into the field provided. Enter an app name and any required basic details so Median can label and generate your build correctly. When you're ready, click Start Building My App. Median will begin scanning your web app and preparing a native wrapper so it behaves like an installed iOS application. Give the builder a little time to do its work. You'll see progress as assets are fetched and the configuration is set up. If it takes longer than expected, keep the tab open and avoid navigating away until it completes. When the build environment is ready, look at the right side panel. Scroll down until you find the download section and click it. This takes you to the area where you can generate installable packages. Under the iOS section, choose Build, then select Install. Median will compile your app and produce an IPA. This process can take a few minutes, especially on the first run. Keep your browser active while it finishes. Once done, you'll have an iOS package suitable for distribution. To publish on the App Store, enroll in the Apple Developer Program through the official site. Note there's an annual fee. After your account is active, open App Store Connect, create a new app record, upload the IPA from Median, complete the required app details, and submit for review. Ensure your bundle settings align with what you configured in Median and provide accurate metadata, privacy information, and screenshots to speed up approval. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.